Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You open your project and go straight to the app module. Make sure Gradle Sync already finished so the build environment is ready. Once done, focus on the Gradle tool window or the build menu. This avoids fighting setup errors. You will run a specific Gradle task, so check that your JDK path and module selection are correct. If Android Studio prompts to sync, allow it. Otherwise, you can proceed to run the Signingreport task. You expand the Gradle panel and navigate to Tasks, then Android. Double-click Signingreport to execute. As it runs, watch the Run console for progress and any sync warnings. This is where outputs appear. Once the task finishes, scroll the console output until you find the SHA1/SHA256 lines for your selected build variants. Make sure you identify the correct module and variant. If you have debug and release keys, note which block matches the key store you need. You copy the SHA1 or SHA256 fingerprint directly from the console into your clipboard and paste it where required, like API consoles or OAuth setup. Once done, verify you copied the correct variant block, debug versus release, because they differ. If the Signingreport output is missing or shows errors, run a Gradle clean and then rerun the task. Also check build Gradle signing configs to ensure the key store path and passwords are valid. That usually resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.